GoForWorldBusiness.com is a B2B portal for exporters and importers to increase their international business in a simple, cost-effective manner. On GoForWorldBusiness.com, companies can find new buyers, new suppliers, and respond to the latest business opportunities posted on the website on a daily basis. We have a really unique business model in the sense that we are the only large B2B portal that conducts all its business online. We have nearly 450,000 companies on GoForWorldBusiness.com from over 225 countries. We have done hoardings across the countries, print ads in product-specific magazines, but they lack the specific ROI calculation that a small business with limited budget so desperately needs. Google AdWords helps us get targeted traffic and quality leads at a cost acceptable to us. What works best for us with Google AdWords is the ability to control the geography where our ads appear, as well as the cost per lead to such a fine degree. Google AdWords is really a boon for the small business competing with the bigger companies in the marketplace. It creates a level playing field. So for the past 6 years, we have been advertising only online, and that too, most of it on Google AdWords. We started using Google AdWords in August 2002 with a budget of approximately 1500 Indian rupees. We spend much more than that now. I'm not telling you how much because that will only make my competitors spend more too. Google Analytics allows us to track cost per lead as well as conversion rate for each campaign in real time, so we can make changes real quickly. We get about 30% of our revenues from leads generated by Google AdWords. Our cumulative ROI over the last 6 years is over 80%. Our business has grown 6-fold since we first started using Google AdWords in 2002. Google AdWords is really indispensable for our business. There's a joke about advertising that only half of advertising works, but you don't know which half. With AdWords, you know exactly what works and what doesn't. Any business that wants to reach out to more customers must give Google AdWords a shot. Google AdWords was and remains the easiest online advertising system to get started on. I am yet to see a simpler system, and I'm willing to bet my money on this.